Presenting the Kia 2020 Niro Touring SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic with auto-shift transmission. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.